Salut, bonjour, comment ça va? Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Nous continuerons notre leçon. We learned possessive adjectives today. How did you do the test yesterday? How did you do that? Indefinite articles. That was easy. Fine, only 10 marks. Today, test 5. Rewind lesson 5. Lesson 5. Former des phrases. Make some sentences. Former form. Form some sentences or make some sentences. With what? Satan or Satyun. I have given in English notebook. So you must say Satan cahier. Door. Satyun porte. You write 10 sentences. With notebook 1, chair 1, Satyun. What the word chair is? You find out and write. Satan, 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 Satan or Satyun, Satyun, Satyun. Find out its masculine or feminine and use or yun properly. That carries 10 marks. And you pronounce those sentences loudly. Satyun, Satan kaiye. 10 marks for the pronunciation. So totally 20 marks. Do the test also, it's very important. Okay. At the end of this we will discuss. And today we learn possessive adjectives. I have told you adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of the noun. If I say long pen, long is the adjective. Yellow pen, yellow is the adjective. My pen, my is the adjective. When I say long pen, it tells you something about the quality or size. Good pen, quality of the noun. But when I say my pen, it tells you about the possession of the noun. Who is the owner of the noun? So my, your, his, her, our, all these words are also adjectives. They are called under a separate topic called possessive adjectives. They do not tell you something about the quality of the noun. When I say my pen, you do not know anything about the quality of the noun. You know only the pen belongs to me. Understand? His house. Just listen. His house. What do you know about the quality of the house? Whether it is big or small, beautiful or ugly, you do not know. But what do you know? Whom the house belongs to? Who is the owner of the house? His house. Okay. So that is also an adjective. It's called possessive adjectives. It's easy only, little complicated. Pay attention. My, your, his or her. His, her, both are same in French. My, your, his, her. My has 3 equivalents in French. When I say my father, father is masculine. Father is masculine. I may be masculine or feminine. I, the word I, my. This my may be masculine or feminine. That means I may be masculine or feminine. But when I say my father, I must use mon père. New vocabulary, new word. Okay, mon père, mère, parent. Parent, parents. Father, mother, parents. Masculine singular, feminine singular, plural. Plural, that's all. Mon père. When I say my father, I should see father is masculine or feminine. If it is masculine, write mon. Father is masculine, so mon. When I say my mother, I should use only ma mère, not mon mère. Neither it is ma père. No, it's wrong. Mon père, ma mère. And this noun becomes plural Parents, plural. This mo and ma I am not supposed to use. I must use only may. Mes parents. Okay. Mes amis, my friends. Mes amis, my friends. Mes cahiers, my notebooks. Mes, M-E-S, cahier, with S. Mes stylo. Mes stylo, my pens. May. Understand? It's the same here. Your, only your, not all yours. Only your, singular. Your is singular. Understand? Your is singular. Your father. Only your father. Your, singular, your. Your father. Father is masculine, so ton. Mother is feminine, so ta. Parents, plural, so te. Same like momame, here ton ta te. Your. So sa say also same. His or her. His and her or same, one word in French. Son takes the meaning of his and her. Son means his or her. Okay. Son père. Son père means what? His father or her father. Father, you should see whether it's masculine or feminine. Understand? Mother, it's feminine, so sa you should use. His mother or her mother, her mother. Parents, plural. So I must use say. His parents or her parents. Parents. Clear? Right? Our. It's our. Our, two words. Here my has three words equivalent. Your three equivalents. His or her three equivalents. But our two equivalents. Both for masculine singular and feminine singular, I can use notre. 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 Our father or our mother. Father is singular, so notre. Mother is also singular, so notre. Okay, masculine and feminine you can use one, but here it is two. Two, two, but here it becomes one. Notre père, notre mère. What's the meaning? Our father, our mother also. Notre, same word. Then this becomes plural, parents. Our parents. Plural, no. Notre becomes no. When this becomes plural for our. Then your. This your is only your. Your. Only singular. Singular. Okay. Here your. All yours. All of you. Okay. Your father. Two boys are standing. Your father is coming, I can say. Two boys are standing in front of me. So I can tell them, your father is coming, boys. Your father, okay. Your is plural. Father or mother. It is votre. 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 And go. Your parents are coming, boys. Or your parents are coming, girls. Your is plural here, and this is also plural. The possessed thing is also plural, so wo. Their father, their mother, their parents. Their boys are standing. Okay, their father is coming. Their father. Okay, their father is coming. And their parents are coming. Leur. I am sorry. Okay, their father is coming. Ask them to go home. Their father is coming or their mother is coming. Leur. Here Their is plural. Parents also plural. In that case, leurs parents. Leurs parents. Understand? This is easy but little complicated. Little complicated in the sense, my has 3 equivalents. It's easy. Just go through once again. It will become easy. And what's the pronunciation of this there? T-H-E-I-R and T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E and T-H-E-I-R. What's the difference in the pronunciation? Is it visible? Yeah. What's the difference in the pronunciation? T-H-E-R-E, there, there. Okay, there, there he is, there. This one, T-H-E-I-R, possession. Pronunciation, they are, they are. This one is there, this one is they are, they are. Okay, that's the difference in English. This is English. Okay. And test I have told you, and we will meet you only. We are about to close this first beginners level, basic level. Then we will continue with the next level. We will meet in the next class. Au revoir, à plus tard, merci.